Hey guys, it's Chemica. Welcome back to my channel. So for today, I'm going to be showing you guys how to do cornrows. If you just want to do regular cornrows for your hair, for under your wigs, or just for whatever reason. To get started, all you're going to need is a comb. You can get some clips and or a scrunchie to hold it in place. So this is to help with parting off so that you don't pull in any extra hair while you're braiding. So I'm going to make sure every piece is like out of the way. Comb out your section that you're going to work with. If it's tangled, it's going to be harder to braid, especially if you are a beginner. This is a beginner friendly video because for the longest while I've been doing doodle braids, and I'm pretty sure a lot of you guys have been doing doodle braids as well, and that's why you clicked on this video. You're going to separate the front right here. So you got a smaller section in the front, a thin section, like when you're doing edges, you know, some people pull out their actual hair, not any baby hairs or anything. Okay, 1, 2, 3, and you're going to just start braiding just like that. It's really simple, but it's hard when you're starting off. So take your time. At the 3-step braids, you're going to just start crossing over like a regular braid. But instead of you going straight out, you're going to braid flat. So braiding like this, you know, the regular braid. You're going to do that on the head. You're going to like lay the braid down on the head. So you're braiding, going back, crossing over. All right. The piece that's in the middle right now, 1, 2, 3, this strand that's in the middle here, you're going to grab a small section, make sure it's about the same as that middle piece, and you're going to add it into the section. You're going to add it into the middle piece here, and then you're going to just keep on braiding and do the same thing. Now this section is in the middle. You're going to get a piece of the hair from behind, add it into that middle section, make sure it's only that piece that's added in, so it's no extra hair just sticking out. Add that in and then braid. Same as before, add it in and then braid. And you're just going to keep repeating this, going back. Add in sections. Make sure the section that you're adding in, the piece of hair from behind that you're adding into the 3 strands in the front, make sure that it's equivalent to the same size, because if it's much bigger, it's going to look bulky. It gets hard when you're trying to lay it down. So you can already see the braid starting to form right here. What you need to do is grip the hair. You need to grip the hair as tight as you can. So I'm pulling this piece up here. Let me see if I can get closer. All right. I'm pulling this piece up right here, and I'm pushing it right in between my pointing finger and my middle finger. That's where the 3rd strand is. And then I'm gonna just braid backwards, and while I'm braiding back, I'm pulling it a bit. I'm pulling it and I'm laying it down, right? And then I'm gripping the middle. I'm gripping the strand that's on the right side, so that strand will now become my middle strand, right? Gripping it as tight as I can. Now that that is my middle strand, I'm adding in more hair from the back, equivalent to the size of the strand, right? Hold it as tight as you can and braid down. Pull this, the end piece, backwards while you're braiding. Grip it, braid down, and cross over. All you're doing is adding in hair. What you need to practice is gripping the hair, and the braid will come out looking better than ever, better than you imagined. Okay. All right. Add in to the middle. Add in piece to the middle strand and then braid. Next side, add in piece to the middle strand and then braid. While you're braiding, grip it as tight as you can. Add in piece to the middle and braid. Right? And once you reach to the back, make sure the pieces that you're adding in is not like bulky. So when you reach to the back, you will always have like a little piece hanging out there. So don't worry. All right, let me show you with this one. See, you pull it back and you have like piece of the hair that is just hanging there. Same way here. In order to do that, again, it takes grip. And when you reach to the back, get like a smaller section, just like you had in the front to start off, and then add that piece in. If you add in a bulk, it's not going to lay flat. It's going to lay wherever that bulk started. If you picked up the bulk from up here, the space back here would be empty. If you picked up the bulk from back here, it will lay flat. That's how you will look at it. And now you can see the difference in the braids. This shows, it basically shows, I'm basically showing you here when it's gripped and when it's loose. That's what it is. Regardless of the matter, if it's gripped or if it's loose, it doesn't matter. It will still hold your hair. However, if you want a cornrow hairstyle, you're gonna need to practice your grip. If you just want to be able to braid it for under your wigs or anything hidden, then this will be okay. And also, when you finally learn, just go easy on your head, because I was gripping my hair so tight that I would get headaches. Thank you guys so much for watching. I really hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I hope that you are able to cornrow like a pro after this video. Also, if you have any anything you would like to say regarding the video. If you feel like these don't look great, what are you talking about, girl? Go ahead and comment it down below and let me know any way I can improve. If you feel like this is not it, that's okay. That's you, to each its own. So this is beginner friendly for anybody that doesn't know how to do cornrows or gets lost while they're doing cornrows and messes up. This is perfect for you. Like I said, I hope you guys enjoyed. And if you do leave a comment, please be respectful. I appreciate any comment that you do leave. Thank you all and be safe.